to Angie's Table. So today we're gonna be making Rosé Tteokbokki, and this is that new hot item in Korea right now that everyone is eating and everyone is ordering on their delivery apps. And when I'm watching Korean TV shows, that's what all the celebrities are eating right now. So we're gonna make that today, and also we're gonna be air frying some of these cheese balls. I know cheese balls are pretty hot in Korea. They have it with like fried chicken, but we got one from a Korean grocery store and it was so good. So we thought it'd be a perfect match to have those two together. So let's go and check out the ingredients. Grace got me an early birthday present, which I'm very excited for. We're gonna be using it today. She got me this and I love it. This is not sponsored, we're not promoted by them, but I wish we were. So it comes with this lid. I really like this color actually. And it has like a steamer and it's just beautiful. The cleaning is so easy because I just use a paper towel and clean it through because I don't have to use as much oil, especially because it's very, very non-stick. It literally just slides around like if I'm making an egg. So I love this pan, so we're gonna be using this today. First, we're gonna cut up the sausage into this crisscross pattern. So it's boring if you just throw the sausages in there, but now we're gonna make 3 slits across one way and then another 3 the other way. And once it touches heat, it opens up a bit and it becomes like this cute pattern. So we're gonna try something different and do that. And next we're gonna add oil and fry up the sausage for just about 2 minutes on medium to high heat. So you guys don't always have to add sausages. You guys can add any toppings you want to it. I was even thinking about adding in fish cakes, but I was like, I don't really like fish cakes. Pretty much anything on my channel, if you guys want to take something out and put anything else in, it should work for the most part, especially if it's just placing like the meat and adding in veggies. Let's go ahead and add in our marinara and our whipping cream. Just when it starts to thicken, we'll add in our water and our capsaicin. So with the capsaicin, I wanted there to be more of a kick, and I was debating if I should use marinara or gochujang to provide that color, but I decided to go with marinara because that matches the theme of rosé more, and then we'll just add the spice in by adding in the capsaicin. If you guys don't have capsaicin, then you can use either some red pepper flakes or some paprika. So the rice cakes come frozen, which is why I had it in the water, in cold water. Kind of does a similar thing as the udon and unravels itself and melt away the ice particles. And at this point, let's add in the rice cakes. We'll add some salt and pepper to taste. So right now in Korea, Rosé Tteokbokki is hot, and I watch I Live Alone and I saw Hwasa eating it there, and then I know Korean Englishmen recently started back up and they were having Rosé Tteokbokki. Who else had it? I know like a lot of mukbangers are also doing it as well, and so I thought it'd be really cool if I can show you guys how to make that new trendy hot item in Korea, and you guys can enjoy it while you guys watch TV. Finally, we'll sprinkle some cheese on top so that it melts all over and it becomes stringy and perfect. And then we'll garnish it with some parsley. We're gonna use that low skim mozzarella cheese that we use for 불닭, except I got the shredded one so I could just sprinkle it a little bit on top. And this is gonna make it extra stringy and cheesy. These are the cheese balls that we were talking about, and they're so good. They're crunchy on the outside, and it's like chewy and slightly sweet even, and also cheesy, and it's just like a combination of all the goodness in the world. Wow.
So good.
Mm-hmm. French fries sausage. Mmm. I like the sausage. It's a very good touch. The capsaicin actually made it really spicy. I love these cheese balls.
I don't have another one.